BRAINCOM presents. Ever wondered why some intelligent people prefer solitude? Well, you're not alone. It's a fascinating topic and one that's been on the minds of many. Today we're going to delve into the world of solitude and intelligence, exploring 12 compelling reasons why highly intelligent people often opt for a life of solitude. These reasons might surprise you, challenge you, or even inspire you. So brace yourself as we venture into this fascinating journey of solitude and intelligence. Firstly, intelligent people have an increased level of self-awareness. This heightened self-awareness means they're constantly tuned into their thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. They're like their own psychologists, always analyzing their actions and reactions. This introspection requires a quiet, distraction-free environment which solitude willingly provides. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, the noise, the chatter, the incessant push and pull of social obligations can drown out our inner voice. Solitude, on the other hand, silences the external chaos, allowing the internal dialogue to flourish. It's like stepping into a silent room where the only voice you hear is your own, echoing back your deepest thoughts and feelings. Hence, solitude becomes a sanctuary for self-exploration and understanding. Secondly, intelligent people often set high standards. This is not just in their work or academic pursuits, but also in their social interactions. They expect deep, meaningful conversations and a high level of understanding. They crave intellectual stimulation and thought-provoking dialogues. But here's the rub. Not everyone can meet these lofty expectations. And when expectations aren't met, disappointment sets in. It's like going to a symphony and hearing a sour note. It disrupts the harmony. Over time, these intelligent folks may find that they prefer their own company, where the standards are always met. And disappointment is a stranger. They choose solitude over the frustration of constantly seeking but seldom finding their intellectual equals. For them, solitude becomes a refuge from the disappointing realities of others not meeting their expectations. Moving on, highly intelligent people value independent thinking. You see, when they're alone, they're free to explore their thoughts without the influence or interruption of others. This solitude provides an environment ripe for unfettered contemplation, allowing their minds to wander, ponder, and dissect ideas at their own pace. It's like taking a leisurely stroll through a vast intellectual landscape, unhurried and unrestricted. This freedom often leads to more original ideas, as they're not being swayed by groupthink or popular opinion. They can question, analyze, and challenge the status quo, leading to insights that are truly their own. Solitude then becomes a sort of incubator for innovation, nurturing unique perspectives and groundbreaking ideas. Therefore, solitude is often a haven for free thinking and innovation. Next, introspection is a common trait among intelligent people. You see, the world inside us often holds as many mysteries as the world outside. And for those with a keen intellect, these inner landscapes provide a fascinating territory to explore. Solitude offers the ideal conditions for this self-exploration. It's like a quiet room where the mind can wander freely, without the noise and distractions of the outer world. Here, in the silence, they can delve deep into their thoughts, feelings, and motivations. They can question, analyze, and understand themselves in ways that might not be possible amidst the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Solitude, therefore, becomes a vessel for their introspective journeys. Fifth, intelligent people highly value their time. It's like gold to them. Every second counts, and they want to spend it wisely. Solitude provides a perfect setting for this. Without the distractions of social interactions, they can focus more on their endeavors. They can dive into their work, their hobbies, their passions. They can read that book they've been meaning to, or write that novel that's been stirring in their minds. They can learn a new language, master a musical instrument, or solve complex mathematical problems. Every minute alone is a minute they can use to enrich their minds and lives. It's not about shunning the world. It's about embracing the vast landscape of their minds and potential. Thus, solitude becomes a medium for them to maximize their productivity. Next up, intelligent people often find social interactions emotionally draining. You see, these interactions are like a game of chess played on an emotional level. They require a lot of mental energy and can leave one feeling exhausted and worn out. Emotional exchanges aren't just about the words spoken. They also involve reading between the lines, understanding body language, and picking up on subtle cues. For highly intelligent individuals, this can be a taxing process. They are often sensitive to emotional undercurrents and can find the intensity of social interactions overwhelming. By choosing solitude, they give themselves a chance to recharge, to restore their emotional balance, and to prepare for future engagements. In this way, solitude acts as a shield from emotional exhaustion. Seventh, solitude often sparks creativity. When you're alone, your mind is free to wander, to explore, to dive deep into the realms of imagination. It's in these quiet moments that ideas are born, that solutions to problems are found, that the seeds of creativity are sown. Highly intelligent people understand this. They value their alone time not just for relaxation but as a fertile ground for their creative process. They know that in solitude, they can listen to their inner voice. They can experiment with their thoughts, and they can bring their visions to life. For these bright minds, creativity doesn't come from constant interaction or noise, but from the silence and peace that solitude offers. For them, solitude becomes a catalyst for their creative endeavors. Eighth, highly intelligent people value focus. This is not just about zeroing in on a task at hand, it's about immersing oneself in it. The world around us is a whirlwind of distractions constantly pulling at our attention. But when you're alone, the volume of life's background noise decreases. This quiet environment is a fertile ground for focus to flourish. It's like being in a room with only one window. All the light pours in from one direction, illuminating what's important. Solitude becomes a sanctuary where concentration thrives, and the mind can delve into the depths of a subject without interruption. It's here that ideas are born, problems are solved, and the intellect is sharpened. Thus, solitude is their secret weapon for maintaining focus. Additionally, self-reliance is a common trait among intelligent people. Solitude acts like a catalyst, amplifying this attribute. Being alone offers the space and freedom to make decisions without external influence. It encourages individuals to trust their instincts and lean on their own understanding. It's like a mental gym where the mind gets to flex its problem-solving muscles, enhancing its ability to navigate life's challenges independently. This self-reliance isn't about isolation, it's about empowerment. It's about recognizing that the answers to most of your questions lie within you. It's about cultivating confidence in your abilities and embracing the beauty of standing on your own 2 feet. Hence, solitude becomes a breeding ground for their self-reliance. 10th, intelligent people often have a high level of sensitivity. They are more attuned to the world around them, and this sensitivity can sometimes feel like a double-edged sword. On one hand, it allows them to deeply appreciate the beauty and complexity of life. On the other hand, it can make them more susceptible to emotional turbulence, a sea of feelings that can be overwhelming at times. In these moments, solitude provides a safe haven. Alone, they can process their emotions without the fear of being misunderstood or judged. They can take the time to understand and manage their feelings, to regain their equilibrium. It's a time for self-care, for healing, for introspection. Thus, solitude becomes a sanctuary for their sensitive souls. Next, deep thinking is a common characteristic of highly intelligent people. This refers to the ability to probe beneath the surface of things, to discern hidden layers and patterns, to connect seemingly unrelated dots. Solitude often serves as the perfect backdrop for such contemplation. You see, when you're alone, there are fewer distractions, fewer interruptions. Imagine, if you will, a tranquil lake, its surface still and undisturbed. That's the mind in solitude, perfectly poised for deep reflection. In this quiet space, highly intelligent individuals can dive deep into the depths of their thoughts, exploring new ideas, solutions, and perspectives. It's in these quiet moments that their intellect truly shines, unencumbered by the noise of the outside world. Therefore, solitude is a cradle for their deep thoughts. Finally, peace of mind is highly sought after by intelligent people. In the hustle and bustle of society's demands, the noise can become overwhelming. But when they step into solitude, it's like stepping into a quiet room, a sanctuary where the mind can rest. The noise fades away, replaced by a soothing silence. In this silence, there's no need to keep up with anyone, no demands to meet, no expectations to live up to. It's just them and their thoughts. They can reflect, ponder, and process without interruption. This tranquility, this quietude offers a profound sense of peace. It's a calm that can't be found in the chaos of social settings. So solitude becomes an oasis for their peace of mind. So there you have it, 12 reasons why highly intelligent people prefer to be alone. From increased self-awareness to valuing time, from emotional drain to creativity, and from deep thinking to peace of mind, these reasons highlight the importance of solitude in the lives of the highly intelligent. They find solace in their own company, and solitude becomes their sweet escape. So, it's not about being antisocial, it's about embracing the quiet, Remember, solitude is not loneliness. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so then you get notified of our next post. Also, to learn about many other interesting topics, be sure to check our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.